Welcome to One India News Hour. Social media users to have different experience in 2021. A large part can be attributed to the impact of COVID-19 that had on our collective digital habits. But to understand how to navigate these uncharted waters as marketers, it is important to individually examine each of these new social media trends to understand them better. We will see how the trends in social media are going to impact the overall marketing landscapes in 2021. COVID-19 has drastically changed the way people utilize social media. With a 74% rise in social media marketing spend during the pandemic, marketers are investing more money in social media marketing. They expect to spend the same, if not more, in the coming year also. To make sure you are getting the most out of your social media marketing spend, you need to understand what social media trends have seen a recent spike and are likely to continue surging in 2021. Social commerce is bigger than ever and the influencers are driving social commerce. People are using social media to connect with more brands from home and shopping from their laptops and phones. The role of influencers in that sales process has been amplified by the pandemic. As the pandemic continues to keep more people at home, you can expect that number to rise in 2021. Social media influencers are becoming increasingly important as salespeople. Marketers should be reaching out to influencers for paid partnerships that can help boost their product visibility and brand awareness. The continued rise of micro-influencers is also important. Not every brand will have the digital marketing budget to bring on a big name influencer to promote marketing campaigns and new products. Micro-influencers can be a more affordable alternative with smaller but equally loyal audiences. These social media trends will continue to find their way into the mainstream consciousness in 2021, especially with no immediate end to the pandemic in sight. Understanding these trends, you can set your brand up for future success. Let's see to today's headlines in One India. Use Signal instead of WhatsApp, tweets Elon Musk. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has suggested that users should switch to the Signal app in the tweet directing against WhatsApp after WhatsApp announced the change of its privacy policy and sharing the data with its parent Facebook. The major concern with the new WhatsApp privacy policy is that your phone number, IP address, mobile device information will be shared with Facebook. Signal Private Messenger is another WhatsApp alternative. The co-founder of WhatsApp, Brian Acton, left the company after Facebook acquired WhatsApp. Acton moved ahead to create the Signal Foundation with Moxie Marlinspike. The Signal messaging app is like WhatsApp used to be earlier and offers better privacy. There is end-to-end encryption by default powered by the open source Signal protocol. After Facebook acquired WhatsApp, users' privacy was one of the reasons why WhatsApp founders had quit. Ajay Singh quits VMware and opts Pure Storage. For the past 6 years, the 27-year technology veteran Ajay Singh has been the Senior Vice President and General Manager of VMware's Cloud Management Business Unit, which includes vRealize and vCloud product suites. He helped scale VMware's worldwide cloud management business from $1 billion to more than $2.1 billion over his tenure. He was responsible for delivering VMware's cloud management vision and solutions for hybrid clouds to customers according to his VMware leadership profile. The move comes just weeks after VMware's Rajiv Ramaswamy left to become Nutanix CEO. VMware has lost another cloud leader in Ajay Singh, who departed this week to become Chief Product Officer for Pure Storage. Indian crypto exchanges freezes suspicious accounts as Bitcoin crosses $40,000. CoinDCX, a large cryptocurrency exchange, said that it has frozen 4 accounts which were used for artificially pushing up the price of smaller cryptos in a bid to lure retail investors to enter at inflated prices. This move comes as Bitcoin breached the $40,000 mark. India lacks any formal KYC rules or exchange regulations for cryptocurrency, and hence exchanges have devised their own rules. The lack of regulation comes even as the US Financial Crimes Enforcement Network has proposed compulsory KYC norms for transfers of cryptocurrency to non-custodial wallets above $3,000. Zoopy raises Rs 70 crores fresh round from existing investors. Online gaming startup Zoopy has raised Rs 70.09 crores in a fresh round led by existing investors Matrix Partners and Westcap. This is the second infusion by existing investors in the firm that runs live quiz tournaments on its app where users compete for cash prizes. Zoopy's parent entity has allotted 2,689 Series A1 preference shares at an issue price of Rs 2,60,666 per share, while Westcap has picked up 2,264 shares for Rs 59.02 crores. Matrix Partners has acquired 425 fresh shares by investing Rs 11.07 crores. Promoters have diluted their shareholdings from 33.84% to 29.7% in this round. Post this infusion, Westcap has increased its holding to 16.9%, while Matrix now holds 11.54% stake in the Gurugram-based company. According to Zoopy's website, the app runs over 1,000 quizzes across genres such as Bollywood, maths, sports, spellings, among others. It claims to have disbursed over Rs 100 crores worth cash prizes to more than 500,000 winners. AI could allow you to speak with deceased relatives. Researchers have developed an artificial intelligence technology that could allow people to communicate with their loved ones even after their death. The technology, first reported by Protocol, uses a chatbot to recreate the presence of the deceased. Tech giant Microsoft has issued a patent for the technology. However, the way in which the company would use the innovation still remains unclear. The chatbot is programmed to pick up the voice and information of a relative by using videos, voice recordings, letters, social media posts, amongst others. It would then use it to interact with the user via a smartphone or other smart devices like Google Home, Alexa, etc. The technology could also create a 2D or 3D model of a specific person by using images, depth information, and or video data associated with a specific person. TikTok releases first AR filter with iPhone 12 Pro LiDAR camera. The Chinese short video making app TikTok has released its first augmented reality filter that uses iPhone 12 Pro's LiDAR camera. The filter utilizes the iPhone 12 Pro's LiDAR sensor that helps improve AR experiences by enabling apps to more quickly see and recognize the room around them. An all-new LiDAR scanner on iPhone 12 Pro offers the ability to measure light distance and use pixel depth information of a scene. Acer launches Chromebook Spin 514 powered by AMD Ryzen processor. Taiwanese brand Acer has launched its first Chromebook Spin 514 powered by AMD's Ryzen 3000 mobile processor. The models Acer Chromebook Spin 514 and Acer Chromebook Enterprise Spin 514 starts at $479.99 and $749.99 respectively. Based on the powerful Zen architecture, the AMD Ryzen mobile processors ensure consistent responsiveness, fast boot times and long battery life. The Acer Chromebook Spin 514 features a 14-inch FHD Touch IPS display with Corning Gorilla Glass and includes state-of-the-art AMD Radeon graphics for enhanced gameplay, streaming and content creation. The AMD processor technology contributes to the Chromebook Spin 514's thin and light design that delivers up to 10 hours of battery life. Both the models support apps via Google Play and web-based apps. The Acer Chromebook Enterprise Spin 514 provides security, enterprise capabilities and cost savings, helping businesses manage devices at scale. Chromebook Enterprise unlocks the built-in business capabilities of Chrome operating system and Acer Chromebooks by enabling IT to secure, orchestrate and power the cloud workforce. Hospitals and labs to earn revenues on account of COVID-19 in 2021. Whether or not the pandemic comes to an end in 2021, hospitals and labs will continue to earn revenues on account of COVID-19. Hospitals and diagnostic labs had been at the forefront of the fight against COVID-19 in 2020 and are looking forward to resume normal business, that is, non-emergency treatments, elective surgeries and medical tourism next year. Most of these had come to a grinding halt in the wake of the pandemic, hitting revenue targets. The RT-PCR tests will carry on and the massive vaccination drive will require lakhs of antibody tests to check for immunity. One would need to do the antibody test before getting the vaccine to find out if one already has antibodies. Post-vaccination too, people would need to do the test to see if they have developed immunity. The testing technology will also be utilized for various other diseases. Avian flu confirmed in 6 states, government alerts people. The centre has confirmed bird flu in Kerala, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat and Haryana, the government said in a statement. The Haryana government is planning to cull over 1.60 lakh birds in Panchkula district after samples tested positive for the disease. Officials said 1,66,000 birds would be killed in the next few days. Culling of birds is to take place within 1 kilometer of Kheri and Ghanauli villages from where samples tested positive for bird flu. Tata's share alone beats government's pie in listed central PSUs. Tata Sons ended the calendar year as the largest promoter of listed companies in the country ahead of the central government. Tata Sons' stake in the group's listed companies is now worth Rs 9.28 trillion, while Government of India's pie in listed central PSUs is currently valued at Rs 9.24 trillion. Tata Group companies have overtaken PSUs in terms of market capitalization. To conclude, social media is the great influencer of spreading cyber hacking. There are 53% of attacks infiltrate organizations unnoticed. The effectiveness of cybersecurity solutions are no longer simply about protecting of assets. It also plays a critical role in business continuity and profitability. To address the rising debates, Facebook pages are getting redesigned. There will be significant change to the Facebook page experience for creators and public figures, which includes a new look and feel, updated in navigation, the introduction of a dedicated news feed, a new Q&A format for engaging fans and other tools and insights. Facebook tests a new page design with a cleaner layout and no more like button. Now, WhatsApp has also changed its terms and conditions for use in the app and notification on WhatsApp informing them about the new platform policies. The new policies comes into effect from February 8th of 2021 and interestingly, the users have been left with little option this time and will need to accept these terms and changes if they want to keep using their WhatsApp accounts. There were many legal cases established with the messages and locations sharing by producing the digital evidences. To address the issue, the new policy says one of those that directly get affected by these is the ability to share location with other users. It further states that users won't be able to share locations with other users in chat if they don't give access to location data. Let's wind up for the day, but do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.